Three, two, one.
My account has only $4, so I'm trading full margin without stop loss. My broker allow me to use 1 to 3000 leverage to set maximum advantage of full margin. Reason for selling will be simple and basic trading methods as I always using. In here we have support and resistance. And awesome oscillator divergence. Now time to wait and see what will happen. Market reacted to our setup nicely. I have managed to grow this account $4 to 26. If you want to open new account with this broker, link in the pinned comment.
Never think tomorrow going to be good time. Enjoy life every day, not tomorrow.